Good morning, students. Hope you understand the interpersonal behavior. Now, we are going to discuss about the group dynamics. Group. When two or more individuals interacting and interdependent who have come together to achieve a particular objective, then we can say it is a group. Basically, group is a collection of two or more interacting individuals with stable pattern of relationship between them who share common goal and who perceive themselves as being a group. I hope now you understand what exactly the group is. Every organization is a group or into self. Okay, हर organization group है क्योंकि in every organization more than one person is working. When two or more individuals are working together, it means it is a group. And what are the basic nature or feature of the group? Two or more person. Okay, if it is one person, it is not considered as a group. A formal social structure is there. We have a common faith, common goal, face to face interaction is possible, interdependency है आपकी, ठीक है, और सेल्फ डेफिनेशन एज अ ग्रुप मेंबर, ठीक है, आप जिसको बिलोंग कर रहे हैं जिस ग्रुप को, एंड रिकॉग्निशन बाय अदर्स. तो सिंपली यू कैन से कि group means when two more person collectively join or interact we have a shared goal, then it means we have a group. Now the group dynamics. Basically, the word dynamic is a French word, sorry, Greek word, which means force. It refers to a study about all the dimension of the group formation, development, structure, and its relationship with the individual, other groups within an organization. Means group dynamics का मतलब क्या हुआ? If we are talking about how to form the group, how to develop, what should be the structure, what type of relationship between the group with individual and with other groups, that means it all covers under the group dynamics. It refers to the interaction of force between group members in a social situation. In social situation, how you interact, it covered that part. Fine. And why do people join the group? जो ग्रुप है आप क्यों ज्वाइन करते हैं? The people often join group since the group give the member a stability and enhance their achievement capacity. It means the basic reason to join the group is security. People feel stronger and more resistant to the threat when they are a part of a group. Status, it provides recognition, status for its member. Self-esteem, it provides feeling of self-worth when when there's some good piece of work or get a praise from other. Thus, it brings a sense of recognition to the group member. Affiliation can fulfill social need. Feeling of belongingness will develop because of group. Power, what cannot be achieved individually often become possible through the group action. There is a power in a number. आपने देखा होगा कि एक लकड़ी अगर अकेली है तो टूट जाएगी, और बंडल्स अगर है इन अ ग्रुप फॉर्म, it is not possible to break. Okay, goal achievement. Goal can be achieved because of the need of pool talent, knowledge, power, etc. So now you understand why people join the group. When two or more people are together with a shared goal, it means it's a group, and they are interested in a group because group provide collectiveness, provide a security, status, self-esteem. affiliation and power, and it helps to achieve a goal very well. Now, what are the various types of group? There are different bases to define the group. One is your formal group, informal group, change of membership in and out. In a formal group, we have a standing group, or you can say a command group and task group. Informal group have three types: reference, friendship, interest. Change of membership have a closed group, or you can say membership group, and open group or reference group. And another one is in group or out group. Now, one by one. Formal group. Formal group, you can say a designated work group defined by organization structure. हम कहते हैं ना, we have a formal organization structure, so that means it's a formal group. A formal group is one that is deliberately create to perform a specific task. एक पर्टिकुलर टास्क के लिए ही ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सेटअप होती है, तो वी आर मेकिंग अ फॉर्मल ग्रुप ओवर देयर. Okay, under formal group we have a standing task group. Standing task group is a permanently specified in a organization structure. जैसे लाइन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है आपकी, उसकी तरह आपका ये permanently specified structure होता है, and it consists of supervisor who exercise formal authority over subordinates, and a group composed of the individual who report directly to the given member. Then we have a task group. Task group is a temporary formal group that is created to solve a specific problem. A group comprises employees who work together to complete a particular task or a project, but who do not necessarily report the same supervisor. हो सकता है किसी पर्टिकुलर टास्क के लिए आप उस सुपरवाइजर को हमेशा रिपोर्ट नहीं करते डायरेक्टली. यू आर नॉट अंडर अ लाइन स्ट्रक्चर, but for the particular task you are grouped together, employees belonging to a different department maybe. Okay, then the informal group, a group that is neither formal structured nor organizationally determined. Such group appear in response to the need of your social contact. जो आपके अपने सोशल नीड है, आप अपने आप उस ग्रुप को फॉर्म कर रहे हो. इट इज़ नॉट क्रिएटेड बाय द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इटसेल्फ and may develop across or outside the formal group. A member behavior is guided by his own internalized perception of what is appropriate and sanctioned by the bestowing or withholding of the social approval. So, is in informal group there is no formal structure, nothing, no superior, no boss. They are made just to share some feelings, to satisfy some inner needs. Like reference group means a group with which an individual identify for the purpose of forming opinion or making decision. Reference group are the basis for many interest or friendship group, but they may also exist outside the organization and still influence the person behavior at work. And reference groups are based on such factors like gender, politics, religious, social class, professions, etc. Like your the association of lawyer, you can say. Then we have a friendship group. Friendship group means people brought together because they share one or more common characteristics like marital status, college affiliation, political views, etc. And friendship group are important because they satisfy the affiliation need of their member. Then we have an interest group, people working together to attain a specific objective with which each is concerned. तो जितने भी मेंबर होंगे इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप के, वो सब एक पर्टिकुलर स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव को पाना चाह रहे होंगे, ठीक है, तब आप जो है इंटरेस्ट ग्रुप बनाते, मीन्स यू ऑल हैव अ कॉमन इंटरेस्ट, लाइक यू कैन से a working mother who lobbying together to get their organization to facilitate their multiple role by providing daycare facility on the premises, flexible time, shared job assignments, etc. Fine. Then we have another classification, that is change of membership. On the basis of this, we have open group, or we can say reference group, means a member keep changing. New member join, existing one leave. And high rate of turnover in an open group help it to expand its frame of reference. So it enhance the creativity also. And instability and constant change of an open group make it difficult for the group to have a long time horizon. तो आपका लॉन्ग टाइम होराइजन नहीं है, ठीक है। तो ओपन ग्रुप हो गया, जैसे मेंबरशिप ऑन प्रमोशन कमेटी की मेंबरशिप क्या है, लॉन्ग रन के लिए नहीं है, कीप ऑन चेंजिंग है, ठीक है। देन अ क्लोज ग्रुप इज देयर, क्लोज ग्रुप इज अ क्वाइट स्टेबल, दैट इज स्टेबल मेंबरशिप with a few addition and losses in a member over a time. ओपन ग्रुप में क्या है, आप आ रहे जा रहे हैं, बट क्लोज ग्रुप में ऐसा नहीं है, इट इज़ नॉट अलाउड टू फ्रिक्वेंटली ज्वाइन एंड लीव द ग्रुप. Power, status, relationship are usually well established and fixed over here, and narrow frame of references is there. And stable membership is a closed group, enable it to maintain a much longer time horizon. Like your board of director, it is a closed group. यहाँ पर क्या आप हमेशा आ सकते जा सकते, नो, इट इज़ वेरी टफ, एक बार आप आ गए तो ठीक है, इट्स नॉट ईजी टू कीप ऑन चेंजिंग द मेंबरशिप ऑफ द बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स. देन वी हैव अनदर ग्रुप, दैट इज इन ग्रुप एंड आउट ग्रुप. लाइक आपकी क्लास में जैसे होता है कि आपने ग्रुप बना लिए, आप कहते हैं कि नहीं मैं तो इस ग्रुप का हूँ, नहीं मैं इस ग्रुप का हूँ, ठीक है, तो वो आपके इन एंड आउट ग्रुप हो गए. द ग्रुप to which we belong are in group, and a group to which we do not belong are a out group, especially if we look upon them with a certain amount of hostility and enmity. The in group versus out group concept is applicable to a friendly rivalry between schools, clubs, association, etc., and it is linked to ethnocentrism, which means that one owns group is best and other is to be judged on its terms. Means ethnocentric होने का मतलब क्या है कि जो हमारा है that is best and you go with that particular thing, ठीक है, तो आपको लगता है कि जो मेरा ग्रुप है यही बेस्ट है और दूसरे से बेटर है. फाइन. So this is all about the group. Now, what exactly the difference or characteristics of formal or informal group? The basic characteristics, if we see the formation, formal group is planned and deliberately maintained, but informal group is spontaneous. ये अपने आप ही आपका बन रहा है, आप उसको लोग कुछ जान के नहीं बना रहे, ये अपने ही आप ही आपके फ्रेंडशिप से बनना शुरू हो जाता है. पर्पस क्या है, फॉर्मल ग्रुप इज़ वेल सेट गोल होता है, बट इनफॉर्मल ग्रुप का क्या है, सोशल इंटरेक्शन ओनली. Formal group have a well structured, but informal group have no structured. Formal group is official, but informal group is unofficial. Formal group focus on position, कि कौन किस position में, subordinate, superior and all. But informal group have no position. They are focused on the person. Formal group में leadership किसकी होती है, superior की होती है. But informal group में कोई भी leader बन सकता है. And the source of power is delegated in case of formal group. But informal group में group आपस में ही जो है किसी को भी source of power दे सकता है. We have certain rules, procedures to guide the behavior in formal group, but informal group have a group norms. Then formal group सोर्स ऑफ कंट्रोल इज रिवॉर्ड एंड पनिशमेंट, बट इनफॉर्मल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में क्या है, सैंक्शन। सारे ग्रुप ने जिस चीज़ को सैंक्शन कर दिया, दैट मीन्स दैट इज ओके। एंड इट इज़ वेरी easy to abolish the formal group, but it is very difficult to abolish informal group. Clear? Now from next class we will discuss the group development and etc. Thank you for the day, students.